What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at ARM stock. So guys, ARM today is giving us that upside that I was calling out for, that I was expecting going into this week, that ARM is going to give us upside and it can test the levels up again here. So it has started the move in that direction already, and if you want to know more about it, I did a video on ARM over the weekend and I talked about how ARM is looking like bullish to me and why I think this will go up. This video will explain you all of that, and I will still talk in this video providing those backgrounds that I did in that video, and but in-depth detail you will find in that video. So it's important that you follow all of my videos, and also please hit the like, subscribe, and I want to mention that none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. I'm here only providing my educational opinion and nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. Okay, so now with ARM, well, the things that I was looking at in the stock price action was on ARM, that this thing was continuously holding this support, following this support at $115 to $120. This was from the past over here as well, and lately as well. It has these multiple wicks tested down here in the previous areas, or a couple of weeks ago, and then lately as well it was just quite a lot consolidating here, and this was just above this 50 days moving average. So we took all these previous plays right to the short side. I talked about of this long play as well, that as soon as we break out of 137 we will test again the supply zone at 145, and then we have high likelihood we'll flush back again to the downside. I talked about all of that. You can go back in the sequence in my playlist of ARM stocks, and stock price has done exactly what I have been saying about it. So check those videos out. Now, where we are right now is we were talking about this level of 121 and 46 cents. So I have to go to the hourly interval now to talk about a couple of things here. So what I was seeing is this level was holding really well, the level of 121 and 43 cents here, right? This was constantly holding. Look at it, support, support, and even back here around this range, this blue box was providing it a really good support. So, and this is where price was, 124 and 58 cents. And I said that there are a couple of things that it's already looking like good wicks are forming here, good pivots are forming. We will see a continuation possibly. And we got that. There was this level of 126 and 13 cents that we were watching for the confirmation of the break. And you can see right at that level, once it broke out, it held support over there, which was the confirmation that next leg is coming up to the upside. And then $128 was the break of structure. ARM has done all of that today, guys. It has broken the structure as well, which means it is out of these big resistance levels, and it was already bullish when we got above 126 and 13 cents, as I talked about over the weekend video as well of ARM. So yeah, this is bullish back again. It has formed these higher lows, and next low will form soon, higher low I mean, and it's already forming these higher highs. So this thing has already a pivot line that as long as it's above this is pivot around here, or you can use 20 hours moving average. This is bullish, and it has also closed above 200 hours moving average and is finding support above that, right? So look at the value and importance of these levels that my indicator marks. If you need access to my tools, links in the description below of this video. So yeah, we held the support at the significant level after breaking out of it, and then made a move above the 200 hours moving average and holding that. So sure, a pullback can come if it comes, but ARM is not bearish for me. Any pullback to 127.96 cents is still a continuation to the upside. And yeah, level by level, if this thing wants, it can make its way back up to $136. So $136 is again a possibility on this. Yeah, yep guys, it is, you know, it's range bound, I get it, but yes, it is looking back again bullish. And again, there is no guarantee of anything. Stop loss are very important. Technically the position to enter was here, as I talked about over the weekend. I didn't take this position on ARM. I'm just providing this as what I was looking for. the other places where I'm taking positions, I'm sharing that as well. But on ARM, I didn't take this position because my capital is locked in other places. And yeah, 126, and this was the place to enter, as I talked about over the weekend video. And then we have been going up, and the stop loss could have been down here, 125 or somewhere below this pivot of the consolidation, right? And yeah, other than that, yeah, it's still bullish as long as it keeps holding this trend line, and any pullbacks can be bought on this. Just my opinion, nothing is guaranteed. The next level is definitely 131 and 34 cents, and after that, there is this level of 136. There is one thing I can do here real quick is on my indicator. Yeah, I can, let me see intraday depth level medium, and yeah, let me do high actually on this thing. Yeah, it's up to you how many levels you want to see. I would focus on, depending on how you want to size out your position. The important ones that I would focus on are definitely that significant level 136 up there, and down here 127.97 cents for a support. And then the one important one I'm watching at least is 132 and 87 cents due to this recent some pivot and support here. So this can act as a resistance as well. So you have in the midway as well another level for any partial profits if the position was taken at 126. So yeah, technically that's the play on going on ARM. So yeah, it's bullish, and if it wants, it can continue higher now. Yep. Good stuff, guys. It's also above on daily. Sorry, I forgot to mention that it's also above 20 days moving average. It closed above that. So yes, guys, this thing can run up as it wants now. Again, just my opinion, okay? And yeah, it's not bearish, no way or fashion. It's not bearish. It will, if tomorrow, again, as I said, nothing is guaranteed in stock market. Even though it's not bearish, but let's say something black swan event or anything happens, this will only become bearish at this point if a big red candle comes tomorrow and it breaks into this blue box. Then yeah, then there's a problem. Otherwise, there is no problem right now. It's looking great to the upside. There's just more chances, in my opinion, 80%, 70 to 80% that it's heading again. Will continue upside. The level is already was that I talked about today. The level was to enter on this again, as I talked about over the weekend as well. 126 and 12 cents was the level on this. All right, guys. So what else, right? Well, that's all for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.